Welcome to our roundup of the best drywall sanders you can buy on AliExpress. Whether you are renovating a room, smoothing ceilings, or prepping walls for paint, the right drywall sander can save you hours of work and deliver a cleaner, more professional finish. Today, we are breaking down the top options that combine power, precision, and user-friendly design. We will look at each sander's motor strength, speed settings, dust collection, handle comfort, and long-term durability, so you can pick the perfect tool for your next project. As always, the product links are in the description below, so do not forget to check them out for updated deals. Now, let us get started. The first on the list is the Tongueful electric sander. This compact drywall sander stands out for its lightweight build, strong motor performance, and excellent dust collection capability, making it ideal for both beginners and home renovators. With a highly efficient motor, it offers stable sanding power that helps remove bumps, paint residue, and plaster inconsistencies with ease. Many users appreciate that the Tongueful model does not feel overwhelming in the hands, thanks to its balanced weight and ergonomic design. This makes longer sanding sessions far less tiring, especially when working on ceilings or high wall sections. The built-in dust collection system is surprisingly effective for its size, helping keep your workspace clean and minimizing floating debris that could affect visibility or breathing comfort. Combined with multiple speed options, the sander gives you better control over different surface types. Overall, the Tongueful electric sander is a smart and budget-friendly choice for anyone who wants a versatile and easy-to-handle tool for home improvement projects. Next up is the Succubi 800-watt sander. The first thing that stands out about this model is its powerful 800-watt motor, wide sanding coverage, and strong suction performance, giving it the strength needed for both residential and professional use. This sander is designed to remove large amounts of material quickly, making it perfect for rough walls, patchy plaster, and unfinished drywall boards. The adjustable 6-speed control allows you to switch between gentle finishing and aggressive sanding without sacrificing stability. Its extendable handle helps reach high ceilings without needing a ladder, making overhead sanding safer and less exhausting. A key highlight is its dust collection system, which pairs nicely with most vacuum hoses and prevents messy cleanup afterwards. The LED ring light around the sanding pad helps you spot imperfections instantly, improving accuracy, especially in dim environments. Overall, the Succubi 800-watt sander delivers powerful performance, high efficiency, and impressive convenience at a competitive price. Next, we have the Twister CK sander. This model earns its spot thanks to its exceptionally smooth performance, great dust sealing design, and versatile sanding head, making it ideal for detailed work and professional finishes. The Twister CK is known for its flexible sanding head, which adapts to corners, angles, and uneven surfaces better than many budget sanders. This reduces the need for manual touch-ups and speeds up overall workflow. Its precision motor offers consistent speed without vibration instability, helping you achieve cleaner results even on older drywall or surfaces with multiple repair layers. The automatic vacuum suction helps minimize debris, while the long reach makes the tool suitable for ceilings and tall walls. Overall, the Twister CK sander is an excellent tool for users who need professional-grade results, better surface accuracy, and reliable long-term durability. Next, we have the Succubi 850-watt sander. Known for its high-power 850-watt motor, fast sanding speed, and improved ergonomic design, this model is built for heavy-duty projects. Whether you are tackling thick plaster, tough wall textures, or large renovation jobs, the extra power helps remove material quickly and evenly. The variable speed control lets you dial in the exact intensity you need, whether working on delicate finishing touches or removing stubborn, uneven spots. The sander also features a foldable, extendable handle that increases convenience during storage and greatly improves reach during ceiling sanding. Its dust collection system is more efficient than many other options in its range, reducing airborne dust dramatically. Overall, the Succubi 850-watt sander offers power, efficiency, and user comfort, making it a dependable pick for anyone handling larger renovation or construction projects. The last one on our list is the Phonku FK BS001. This top-tier model stands out due to its adjustable speed control, high-suction dust collection system, and industrial-level sanding performance, making it perfect for demanding jobs. The Phonku is designed for professionals or serious DIY renovators who need consistent power and a flawless finish. Its speed dial allows precise control across a wide range of surfaces, from delicate skim coats to rough cement-based materials. The large sanding base helps cover more area in less time, and the integrated LED ring gives visibility even in dim corners or shadowed ceiling spots. This model also includes a heavy-duty telescopic handle and a durable, well-sealed motor housing to reduce dust intrusion. Overall, the Phonku FK BS001 is a powerful, highly efficient, and professional-grade drywall sander that delivers top-notch results for serious renovation work. That wraps up our list of the best drywall sanders on AliExpress. If this video helped you choose the right tool, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and check the description below for product links. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay productive and keep your projects moving forward.